I can't believe it's nearly April. Anyway, because I haven't spoke to you, Happy New Year from like 4 months ago. Anyway, I've been busy, right? And I'm going to tell you guys what I've been doing. Because I have set up a new business. I've been doing something on TikTok. You may guess from what I'm wearing. It's called Faze, right? I've set up a clothing brand, but I've also set up a fragrance brand. Something completely different to what I'd normally do, but I've always wanted to have a product of my own. Always. Like, I wanted to sell something like a brand, merch, whatever it is. I don't know. I've always had different ideas, but I started off designing the clothes, which are incredible, right? We've got hats, we've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, we've got sweatshirts, we've got jackets. The range is awesome. I'm going to link everything up down in the video description, but I want some help from you guys. I want to ask you if you can head on over, 1, to my main Facebook, and 2, to my Faze Facebook and to the Faze TikTok account. That is where we sell all the fragrances. I'm going to talk a bit about that and what we're doing in a minute, but I'm trying to grow it. It's brand new. Now for sales, it's already started incredibly well from my following from TikTok, but I haven't shared my journey with you guys. And if you're not following me on TikTok, you won't know I've done that, right? So the clothing is one thing. It's all streetwear. As a DJ, I built it for DJs initially, for DJs, producers and ravers, but it's turned out that well that it's literally open doors. So it's literally designed for any phase, and it's gone down a treat. But also, in addition to the clothing, we have these, right? These beautiful pots of oil. What are they? Well, like I said earlier, right? I've started doing a fragrance brand. It's called Fragrances by Faze. At the minute, the bottles look like that. So that's a 50ml, and that is a 30ml. We've got our own bottles coming, and they are all inspired by fragrances. Inspired by the most popular fragrances out there in all the shops. The only difference is, 1, I've designed these to last longer, and 2, they are cheaper. A lot cheaper. So Faze fragrances have got loads, and I mean loads. We're talking about 50, 60 different ranges at the minute of all inspired by fragrances. Imaginary. If you use your imagination, that's what that is. Absolutely stronger. Stronger with you. The absolutely version. And you know what? They smell absolutely incredible. And like what I did there. We've got Million Man. Doesn't take a rocket science to work out what that is. And Libra. That is a very well-known, very popular female fragrance. Oh, they smell absolutely incredible. Now, the difference to our fragrances to those in the shops is most of them in the shops are eau de toilette, which is a concentration dilution of about 10 to 15%. These are extrait de parfums, which is 30% concentration. So you get more concentration, which means the scent is going to be a lot stronger and it's going to last a lot longer. In fact, much longer. We've got 5-star reviews and everyone says they last longer than what they're inspired by. They smell stronger than what they're inspired by. And they're a lot cheaper than what they're inspired by. So that's where I've been. I'm now selling fragrance. We've got a brand new brand. It's called Faze, Fragrances by Faze, and Faze Clothing. And I would like to ask you guys to head on over to our pages down below. I'm going to link them up. I am doing giveaways every month where I'm giving away fragrances and also t-shirts. So it'd be great to see you there. And listen, right, I'm funny about fragrances. I have spent a fortune on them. I'm not joking. I love smelling nice. So I'm not going to sell shit. When I say these are the strongest, most highest quality oils we're using, I mean it. They're not cheap to buy. There is cheaper oils out there, but I will only sell the best quality, strongest smelling fragrances in my lines. It's my neck on the line, but if you guys smell nice and you're based in the UK, we're looking at international soon. At the minute, we're only selling through TikTok shop, but I am going to get them on the website. I would love for you to try these fragrances and for you guys to see the quality on them, to smell the quality on them. My favorite is Vanilla Blue. It's a unisex fragrance. The original, right, is based on £1,000 bottle. 30 mils is £1,000. Not with us, it's 30 quid. for 50 mils, and this smells absolutely stunning. So I'm not going to turn this channel into a sales page for what I'm doing. I'm just giving you guys an update as to where I've been, what I've been doing. Hopefully you guys haven't been thinking, oh, he's just done another runner again. It's not that. I have been extremely busy, and it's taken off amazingly well. Honestly, I'm so grateful. I can't believe how well it's gone, to be honest. It's smashing it, but I just wanted to give you guys an update, because if you do like smelling nice, I'd love for you to jump on over to our socials and get involved, and more importantly, try it. We do have smaller options available, so you can try and sample it. Fragrances is one of these, you have to smell it. Everyone's got different preferences, different scents, different profiles that suit you, but you're not going to know how good they are unless you try them. But yeah, Faze fragrances, I can't believe it. That's where I've been, mixing oils, smelling good, and making clothing. So yeah, hopefully guys, I will see you over on the socials. I will start getting back into the content. I literally live stream pretty much most days on TikTok, selling, making and packing these live on TikTok. So it'd be great to see you there. And yeah, let me know what your favorite fragrance is. Like I said, we've got about 50 or so at the minute, and a full list of the fragrances we do have on our website in the video description. Go and have a look, and if there's any you'd like me to get hold of, pop a message in the comment and let me know. But hopefully see you there. But that's where I've been. Hopefully you guys are okay and all is well your end, but I've got shit to do. I've got orders to pack. I'll see you in the next one.